The Transform widget can transform even a simple app into something amazing. Transforms like this are possible because Flutter does its own rendering. Do you want a menu icon rotated 45 degrees? A fancy animated transition? Maybe a bouncy carousel? Or even a cool menu? All of these things use Transform widgets. To rotate something 45 degrees, just wrap it in a Transform widget using Transform's Rotate constructor. Other simple transforms are Scale and Translate. There are many more less common transformations. You can create them by building a 4x4 transformation matrix explicitly. Here is a skew transform. Here's a matrix for doing 3D perspective. Perspective works particularly well in animations. Here's another example of perspective, but applied to an entire app. To build an app that does this, see the link for Perspective on Flutter in the comments for this video. For more information on the Transform widget, see flutter.io.